We'll guide you through how to format your code in Visual Studio Code using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. To make sure your code is clean and consistent, you need to use an extension called Prettier, which is one of the most popular code formatters. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-EX on Windows or Command-Shift-EX on a Mac. In the search bar, type Prettier and install the Prettier Code Formatter extension by Esben Peterson. Once it's installed, you should see an option to enable it. Next, you need to configure Prettier to format your code automatically. Go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the lower left corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. In the search bar at the top of the settings page, type Format on Save. Make sure the Editor Format on Save option is checked. This setting ensures that every time you save a file, the code is automatically formatted. If you want to customize the formatting rules, go to your workspace settings and create a .prettier.c file at the root of your project. Inside this file, you can specify options like single quote for single quotes or tab width to set the number of spaces per indentation. Once you have your settings configured, open any code file. Make a few changes, and then save the file to see Prettier in action. Your code should automatically adjust to the formatting rules you've set. This helps maintain a consistent style and makes your code more readable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.